Hello everyone, welcome back to Owen's Treats. For today's video, we'll be making holiday sugar cookie bars. These ones caught my attention because 1, it's sugar cookies, and 2, it's in bar form, so you can't really go wrong with that. So with that, let's get started. To make our wonderful sugar cookie bars, for our batter, we're going to need 1 stick, or half a cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of festive sprinkles. And then for our frosting, we'll need 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 stick of unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of milk, and then additional holiday sprinkles. For our first step, cream together our butter and our sugar. Then we're going to add our 1 egg and our 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then we're going to continue to mix this. So now we have our wet ingredients done, we're going to move over to our dry ingredients. We're going to mix in our baking powder with our regular flour. Then we're going to add in our flour mixture. Then we're going to hold our mixture together. Then we're going to add some sprinkles into our dough. So we're going to fold those in. Now I have my parchment lined dish. Then I'm going to spray. Then I'm going to add in our dough. And then I'm going to press it to the corners. We're going to put this in for around 20 minutes. And while this is baking, we're going to be making the frosting that's going to go on top of our bars. We're going to blend together our powdered sugar, our room temperature butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then a few tablespoons of our cream cheese. Then we're going to blend this. So now that our frosting is done, we're going to put this into the fridge to let it set. So now that our sugar cookie bar is out of the oven, we're going to put our frosting on top of it, and then we're going to decorate. So now we got the icing spread on it. We're going to add our sprinkles, and here's our finished sugar cookie bars. Thank you guys for joining me on another episode of Owen's Treats. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!